something like this before. It was like the club things I can produce, but this sentimental, like I don't know, like ballads. Yeah,
You
it's nice
remember?
though.
You remember when we are making the melody? The melody.
Yes.
Dadko dambu kala dilay, dadko dambu kala beertay, lama wada dhalatu kala reebay, dhalin wada faraxdu isku jeedshay. Dadko dambu kala dilay. I like that one. I like that one. You are
Yeah,
making. I told you. You can also you can make also melody.
Yeah, bro. I'm making music for a long time. All styles. You know, it's like piano, drums, even singing. You know, everywhere when somebody is coming, somebody needs beats, somebody's even needs small melody. Then the song is perfect. You know, it's all together. We make everything perfect. So the fans can hear the best of what we can do.
Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
Exactly. I'm proud of you, brother. I'm proud of you. And tell them where you from, where your mom from. Tell them. Introduce yourself today.
People, me.
Yeah.
I'm from Kenya. I'm from Kisumu. Original Omena boy.
Yeah.
Mira.
Mira.
Yes, I know Somali people know Mira. We are good business partners in this case.
There's special songs when they are eating Mira.
Yeah.
You know, dramatic music. Yeah.
Okay. Yes, bro. I'm from Kenya, but I'm living in Austria now, in Vienna.
Yeah. So
that's where the studio and everything is. So from here is the kitchen. Here we cook all the hits.
So you was born here in Europe?
I was born here, but I was living in Africa for 4 years in Kisumu.
In Kisumu, Kenya.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Moto bana sana.
Moto bana, ugali bana every day.
Ugali bana sana. Legend.